Uh, Hello, everyone. Happy June. We made it. Excited. I'm going to hear from you all tomorrow in our discussion. But let's continue as we're coming up to the end of this unit on regional conflicts, and we're going to look at a conflict in Africa in a country called Rwanda and the Rwandan genocide. By the way, there's a great movie. Don Cheadle's in it. He's, I believe, War Machine in the Iron Man movies. It's called Hotel Rwanda. Definitely worth your time. All right. So a couple of housekeeping things first. Remember, continue to accept redos and late work. Just make sure you send an email. Tomorrow we'll have our next class discussion. It'll definitely make Wednesdays and Thursdays activity. Here are the times for the discussion. And these are the questions that we will be discussing. One, what leads to a genocide? Some examples, Cambodia and Rwanda. Second question, what human rights are violated during a genocide? We saw that some examples in Slobodan Milosevic and Augusto Pinochet in both Bosnia and Chile. And then final question we'll be talking is how does nationalism lead to conflict in the modern world? Examples of the Israeli-Palestinian conflict, conflict between India and Pakistan, and apartheid South Africa. Right. Also note that on Wednesday and Thursday, you'll be answering one of these questions. So consider reading them over it'll help as you're going into the discussion on Tuesday because it'll make what we're doing on Wednesday and Thursday probably may make it easier. Again, this is an individual assignment, so make sure we do our own work. And if you have any questions, please email. So on to today's assignment, the Rwandan genocide. All right, so for this Rwandan genocide, we're going to look at what events led to it, what human rights were violated, how did the international community react. And so here's a little intro. You're going to be making use of the Census data on Hillsborough Township. All right, so that'll help you answer these questions 1, 2, and 3. All right, so some vocab terms. First term here is Tutsi. Second is Hutu. These are two tribes in Rwanda. The next term is the Rwandan Patriotic Front. Then Radio RTLM. This is a radio station. Militia, General Romeo Dallaire. Democratic Republic of the Congo. And International Criminal Tribunal for Rwanda, or ICTR. All right, so we have two short videos. I'll click on watch them both and answer these questions. There's a map here to tell you, see how small Rwanda is. Timeline activity, so click on the link. It'll bring you back to the Holocaust Museum. Here we're going to be doing another timeline activity. So we're going to give 3 events, a description of them, and how they led to the start of the genocide. And then we're going to look at which human rights were abused. So like before, we're going to make an X off of mark on it, a couple readings, and it'll definitely help take the time to watch these 2 video clips. And now we have how the international intervention and de-escalation of the conflict. Again, you'll click on this will bring you to the Holocaust Memorial website and read over again. Watching the video clips would be helpful, and you'll answer these questions. Hope all is well, and again, excited to see you all tomorrow. That's all for now. Take care.